In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are letting us to specify the correct option responsible for regulating genetic modification research and safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public service. For this, we are specifying genetically modified organism or the living organism whose genetic material has been artificially modified by introducing a new gene that will incorporate a new trait in the organism that was not previously present in any animal, plant, or microorganism that has had its genome altered through the use of different genetic engineered technique qualifies. Each nation has a committee or regulatory organization in place to monitor genetically modified organism and their release into the public domain for use in public surveys. In India, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee or GEAC handles the above task. Therefore, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee is the proper response. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C, and D.